Good one. So anyways, did you guys hear Johnny Manziel got fined from the NFL for doing too much community service?
Yeah, what was it like? $1,000.
You cannot D4, Bucky.
You have
Just keep going. Come on, let's do it.
He gets 0 bucks. He doesn't know what.
What if he shits all where to go?
Oh my god.
Is that a Italian film?
That doesn't even make sense.
Alright, ready, Allie?